Hey guys, Janice Lamb here with Everyday Chaos. It's Craft Wednesday, and we have our trivia questions too. Today we're gonna make a birdhouse out of shells. I had a whole bunch of shells and I didn't know what to do with them, so we're gonna make a birdhouse out of them. For this project, you will need shells. Any size and shape is fine, whatever you want to do. Glue stick, because we're using our hot glue gun, and your hot glue gun. Okay. All these shells. Hey guys, all right, so Levi's gonna do
a Play-Doh
sculpting. What are you sculpting?
Hamburger.
You're sculpting a hamburger.
So all you need for this hamburger is some light, what is it?
Like tan or light brown.
Tan. Then you're gonna get some brown, then some yellow for the cheese.
Nice.
The brown is for the burger, and you're gonna need the cuttings that you're gonna need is this circle and a square. So what the square is for the cheese, and the circle is for the bun and the hamburger meat. And I already got the bun
Rolled out and everything.
Yep.
Nice.
And already shaped.
And then I am going to attempt crafting a birdhouse out of all these shells, because I have tons and tons of shells. I don't really know what I'm working with, so I'm going to have to like pull some out. So we're going to get started on that.
And also, I have done a burger before, so I know how to make it. So as you can see, I have the brown plate out. Then you're going to take your circle cutting, and also you're going to need a pizza roller.
Flat one.
To like flatten out the Play-Doh. You're gonna move.
Oh my.
You're gonna move that over there.
Wow, that's
I landed it.
Ooh, look at this. It's like pokey.
Ooh.
It's very fragile though. I don't think that'll hold up for a birdie.
Also, by the way, the can, the Play-Doh can that I threw, it landed.
That's cute. Oh, it's got a hole in it already. I got all these shells from my sister, and I only got half of hers, and she got half of someone else's. And it's like so many shells. What the heck am I going to do with all these shells? So, birdhouse.
I have a question though.
Oh, this one's cute.
How are you gonna make yours?
I don't know. I kind of was constructing it in my head a little bit.
And then comment down below.
It's going to be very difficult.
Comment down below
And hopefully it doesn't take too
building is better, my burger or
Mine's going to take some time, I think.
yeah.
Okay, I need it. The glue's going to get hot real quick. Okay, so
And she's also using like hot glue. So if you want to do that,
look at
you
that.
gotta use hot glue.
What the heck? This is cool.
She just found that.
Interesting little shell. It'd be like the front, like this cute little. Oh my gosh, some sand came with this one. Oh, this is gonna be real messy.
It's okay. We got a beach now. We got a beach now.
How am I gonna frame it? Okay, I think
Okay, as you can see, I have
outside. Like just
brown Play-Doh rolled out.
Oh, I might have to do that.
Now you're gonna grab your circle.
That's how I was doing it in my head. Sorry, I'm talking.
You're just gonna
out loud. Sorry,
press.
I interrupt you.
Press it down. Then you're gonna take all the excess that's around it.
Oh, nice.
Then, if you want to, you don't have to do this. But if you want to, you can double layer your bun, your hamburger meat. But you don't have to if you don't want to.
getting a lot of sand in these.
Yeah.
This is gonna take a minute.
Okay, now we're gonna get rid of the circle cutting. Then you're gonna grab your yellow and your square. You're gonna grab your yellow Play-Doh and your square cookie cutter.
Oh, that's cute.
And then
you kind of scared me. Okay, that's too big. That's not gonna work out for my little thing.
I'm just scared. Why are you always scared of stuff?
That one's cute. I don't know. You made me paranoid, I guess. Oops. All right.
She literally just got scared from me just tapping on the counter with that can.
You scared me. Okay. Gosh. Glue was almost not hot enough, Levi.
It's almost not hot enough.
Okay, this is gonna be fun. Okay.
Okay, now we have the yellow all rolled out, as you can see. Then you're gonna take your square. You're gonna press it. Then you're gonna remove all the excess that's around it, so it's a perfect square. And Miss Quiet over here.
Oh, I know, but I didn't want to interrupt you, you know. I'm just starting a base for the floor, and I'm gluing all the little shells, and I'm kind of trying to just intricately put them together somehow. And I'm kind of wondering if this glue is even going to be strong enough to withhold some stuff, like birds, you know.
Okay, so you got the cheese.
You got the cheese? Or you cut the cheese?
Okay, now it's making time of the hamburger.
Oh, that'll work right there.
You're gonna take your bottom bun.
Uh-oh.
You're gonna place your hamburger
that's
meat
not actually where I want
on
it.
the bottom bun. And you do not want to press down on this, or else it's gonna mix, and you don't want to mix. Then you're gonna place
Why not?
your cheese.
What's wrong with mixing it? You got a problem with mixing it? Who are you?
If you mix it, then you can. So if you press down on this, it will mix, and you can't make any more burgers.
Well,
Unless if you have more Play-Doh.
all right, you make a good point.
Here is the hamburger. So you can see there's cheese there. And under it is the bun. Is the hamburger meat, then the bun.
So an interesting little floor going on. Oh.
And if you want to, if you still have the stuff that I showed you, you can just keep on making burgers.
Oh. Did you catch that too? All I hear all of a sudden is they say, "My butt is literally jiggling." That was so random. We're gonna speed this up a little bit. How's that burger? Ew. You're gonna actually eat it? Ugh. How'd it taste? What's it taste like? You stuck it in your mouth. You may as well tell me. Is it salty? Does it taste like flour or salt?
I don't know. Take a bite.
I'm good. I'm good. No, don't actually.
I actually bit into it. I got teeth marks right there.
Okay, so
never burn your hand like Mom just did on the time lapse.
telling my secrets already, huh? I didn't want them to suffer all the way through the painstaking task of lining all of these dang shells up. But then you missed something kind of funny.
But there's my burger.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, you can't see it.
No, you gotta, ow!
Well, did you just burn your finger again?
No.
Yes, you did. Don't even lie.
Okay, I did a little something might fall out of that little hole, or their foot might get stuck in there. We can't let that be. Oh man.
Jeez.
Poor little thingies. All right, that's good. That's good. Oh, we should do that right there. Do I have another little thing? Panicking. Oh, I found a cute thing.
Is your phone
Right here.
cheese stop proof?
No, it's definitely not. Oh my gosh. I can't believe you just did that. Oh, look, it's like I made a little thing if they wanted to put their food in it. I'm kidding. God, you don't have to be so mean. No, don't. Why? All little boys, I swear, just want to destroy all the things. Oh, wow, this is interesting. Why? Why is there little...
I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you 2 seconds how to make a burger.
Whoa, but hold on. Do you want me to show them that part?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Let me tone her. Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna show you how to build a cheeseburger in under 5 seconds.
And go. 5, 4, 3, 2. What else can you create, buddy?
Should I?
Oh.
Mix
My
it.
mind definitely says
Mix it.
no.
Mix it. Mix it.
Are we gonna witness Levi mixing Play-Doh? He's so OCD about that stuff. Like, it's not even funny.
But I don't want to because I'm not gonna be able to make any burgers though.
I know, but like, dude, live a little. Just mix it.
Okay,
Just mix
it. For the views, I'll do it. Were you joking?
I can't. Yeah, I was. I'm kidding. I didn't mean to give you a complex. Just mix it. Live on the edge. Yeah, you can't make any burgers anymore if you mix it. But did you have fun? Okay, well then that was the point.
I remember the time where I mixed like almost all the Play-Doh that we had, and I made a giant ball with it. It was like this.
Do you remember that, doing that?
Yeah, it was like this tall. It was like this tall.
Whoa.
And it was this wide.
That's a lot of Play-Doh. I do believe it though. You were a mixer of things.
I wish I could go back in time
Oh yeah? What would you do if you went back in time?
to fix the problem that me and Jet went into, and
Aw.
also fixing this.
It happens, but it's okay.
I forgot all about our trivia questions.
The rules are, Levi. The rules are you can't tell them the answers if you happen to see them over here, but you can guess. So he doesn't know that I do this. He just now learned that I do this on craft day. So I ask 3 little riddles. You guys can participate by putting your question or your answers down on the comments below, and then at the end of the video, I share with you the answers, and we'll see how close you got. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Question number 1. What 2 words added together contain the most letters? What 2 words added together contain the most letters?
Is there and
Okay, question number 2. What gets wet while drying?
watermelon?
Watermelon gets wet while drying? Is that your guess?
Yeah, this is wet.
Okay.
And it's also dry.
True. What gets wet while drying? Okay, question number 3. I go up and I go down. Sometimes I am curvy and sometimes I am straight. What am I? You want me to repeat it?
Yes.
Okay, what goes up? Oh, I go up and I go down. Sometimes I am curvy and sometimes I am straight. What am I?
Twizzlers.
Oh, that's a good guess though, but no.
Licorice. Because you can make it go up.
Ow, 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 ow. Dang it.
You dumped me. You just burned
It
yourself
got my
3 times.
fingernail. I was trying to glue my finger, I guess. That felt good, I guess. I don't know. It's mean. Okay, I think this is probably
Tell me the answer.
like big enough for a little home. So let's just start building its walls up. And I decided I
Tell
don't
me
want
the
to put a
answers.
door, you know, like a hole, a small one, because I feel like that's just unfair to birds.
the
Like they can't really
answers.
spread their wings out and like flap down out of that tiny little, well they can. I mean, obviously they're proving it, but whatever. So I think this is how I'm gonna go about this. Stick it there and here. Oh man. This is where hot glue is just so amazing. Anybody else think that? Okay, that's, oh, I guess we can overlap it. We can overlap it like this. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, maybe right here too. I don't know. I don't know where it's gonna touch, to be honest. I'm just kind of laying it out. There's no real plan to this. I just kind of was like winging it. Ow. I think that'll be the front and this will be the back. What you got there? Are you trying to bomb this? The camera's over here. See where the green light's at? So it's directly on this other side of it. Bro. They don't want to see turd. That's your new
This is
Play-Doh
what the
make-age.
turd looks like.
That's its new nickname, leaving. Okay, I'm gonna kind of speed this up a little bit. I'm realizing these little holes, and at first I was like, oh no, I'm gonna have to cover that up, but they could be, you know, air ventilation, you know? I need another stick.
Do you guys have anything to say?
I had to back it up, back it up.
This is it edible?
Wait, what? Repeat that? What'd you say?
I said this smells edible.
It smells edible.
Then is it edible?
Negatory, my friend.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, do not eat it. You goober.
Tastes like a salty pool.
Ew.
Maybe that's what they use for the salt in the pool.
You think?
I bet you. That's what
mean-
they use for the salt.
There's always a possibility.
They just take away the color and it's just like white. I bet it's just white Play-Doh. They put into the pool. Then it's salt water. That's what I'm guessing. That's what I'm
Why?
guessing. Because
What?
it tastes like salt water. So maybe that's what they put in pools.
Maybe.
I got hopes, ladies and gentlemen.
He's got hopes.
And you also have the salt on your back.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Careful. There's a chair right there.
The Play-Doh hit the chair.
Oh, I thought that was you.
No.
Hey, get in there. Okay, there we go.
to school now.
I am?
With your daddy.
I'm so excited. Oh, I started little shells. Shoot, I should keep that going, you know, like a pattern. I didn't even realize I was doing that, but I guess I'm doing that. It's all right. It's really all right. Okay, so I found some flat ones that I think I'll use for the roof of it. Find the right placement first. Okay. We should get to those questions and answers. So the first question was, what two words added together contain the most letters? And the answer, sorry, I just bumped you guys. The answer is a post office. Okay, and second one, what gets wet while drying? Your answer is a towel. And the last one, I go up, I go down, sometimes I am curvy and sometimes I am straight. What am I? Your answer is stairs. Who was close? Okay, I'm gonna finish this up and I'll kind of speed it up for you for a second and then we'll let you go. Yeah, I just needed to go around the edge on that one. My bad. Okay, we have ourselves a little birdhouse. Now, I have this like, string stuff that I'll do some kind of marmalade thing, and then that way it doesn't like fall apart when they land on it because it is only hot glue and it's probably not going to last when the wind blows. It's probably going to shatter. But it's okay. It was a fun little craft. So thank you for joining me on this little craft day. And we'll see you next time on Friday for Food Friday. Have a great day.